name is Amber Schwarzkopf, and I'm the Director of Global Experiences at the Travel Agent Inc. in Carmel, Indiana. In this video, I'm going to talk about my 10 favorite accessories that I use when traveling internationally. First, we have packing cubes. Depending on the trip, I organize the cubes by location or the type of clothing. While packing, be sure to use a clear TSA-approved bag for your carry-on liquids. Make sure to keep it easily accessible in your carry-on bag so you can pull it out when going through security. Another great item for packing is a fold-up travel organizer for your charging cables and other small but important items. No one wants to get sick while traveling, so start taking some vitamin C early on. Melatonin supplements help normalize your sleeping pattern when crossing time zones and flying overnight. Of course, it is also highly recommended to stay moisturized during a flight. You can't forget about your lips either. This footrest hangs from your tray table and suspends your feet and ankles, allowing your feet to be adjusted as needed. Whether you are a wine drinker or not, these bottle protectors are great for bringing back breakable items. But don't forget, if you bring back liquids, to put them in your check bag, not your carry-on. When I travel, I don't have a lot of time to waste on washing my hair. I like dry shampoo, but these wipes save more space and can go in my carry-on bag. Last but not least is the most important item when traveling internationally. A universal travel adapter, like this one, keeps you covered in over 150 countries. Thanks for watching. Be sure to go to theTravelAgentInc.com to find out more information about our customized experiences that we can arrange for you.